Welcome to RefreshNest. Today we're diving into a budget bedroom makeover, affordable ideas for a cozy retreat. If your bedroom feels more like a stress zone than a sanctuary, stay tuned. We're sharing budget-friendly tips and tricks to transform your space into a cozy retreat without draining your wallet. Let's turn your bedroom into a haven of relaxation and comfort, starting right now. Imagine walking into your bedroom and feeling instantly relaxed. No clutter, no chaos, just a serene, inviting space where you can unwind. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's more achievable than you think, even on a tight budget. We'll show you how to revamp your bedroom with affordable and stylish ideas. Ready to make your dream bedroom a reality? Let's get started. 1. Cluttered and disorganized space. One of the biggest challenges in creating a cozy bedroom is dealing with clutter. A cluttered, disorganized space can make it hard to relax. Start by decluttering your room. Go through your items and decide what to keep, donate, or toss. Use storage solutions like baskets, bins, and organizers to keep everything tidy. A clean, organized room sets the foundation for a peaceful retreat. Too outdated and boring. Decor, feeling uninspired by your current decor? It's time for a change. But don't worry, you don't need to spend a fortune. Start by choosing a theme or color scheme that makes you happy. Popular themes like minimalist, bohemian, or farmhouse chic can guide your design choices. Once you have a theme, select a color palette. Soft, neutral colors create a calming atmosphere, while bold hues add a touch of drama. 3. Affordable wall transformations. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to transform your bedroom is by updating the walls. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders. If you're on a tight budget, consider painting just one accent wall. For a more dramatic change, try peel and stick wallpaper. It's budget-friendly, easy to apply, and available in countless patterns and colors. These simple changes can make a big impact without breaking the bank. 4. DIY headboard ideas. A stylish headboard can elevate the look of your bedroom. Instead of buying an expensive one, why not make your own? DIY headboards are not only budget-friendly but also customizable. Use materials like reclaimed wood, fabric, or even old doors. Upholstered headboards are easy to make with some fabric, foam, and a staple gun. This project allows you to create a unique piece that perfectly matches your decor. 5. Budget-friendly bedding. Your bed is the focal point of your bedroom, so invest in comfortable yet affordable bedding. Look for high-quality sheets, pillowcases, and a duvet cover that fit your color scheme. Layering different textures, such as cotton, linen, and faux fur, can add a luxurious feel without a hefty price tag. Add plenty of pillows and throw blankets for extra coziness. You'll be amazed at how new bedding can transform your bed into a cozy retreat. 6. Lighting enhancements. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of your bedroom. Swap out old fixtures for modern, budget-friendly options. String lights, fairy lights, and bedside lamps can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider adding a dimmer switch to control the light intensity. If you prefer natural light, light and airy curtains can make your room feel brighter and more spacious. And furniture updates. You don't need to buy new furniture to give your bedroom a fresh look. A little creativity can go a long way. Paint or refinish your existing furniture to match your new theme. Changing the hardware on dressers and nightstands can also make a big impact. For those who need additional pieces, thrift stores and online marketplaces offer budget-friendly options. Look for versatile furniture that offers storage to keep your room tidy. Decorative wall art. Art and decor add personality to your bedroom. Create a gallery wall with a mix of affordable prints, photos, and DIY artwork. You can find inexpensive frames at thrift stores or discount shops. Mirrors can also enhance your space by reflecting light and making the room appear larger. Add some greenery with indoor plants or faux plants if you prefer low maintenance. They bring life and freshness to your retreat. 8. Rugs and flooring solutions. A cozy rug can instantly warm up your bedroom and add a touch of comfort. Look for budget-friendly options that complement your color scheme. If you have hardwood floors, consider adding a large area rug to define the space. For those with carpets, smaller accent rugs can add visual interest and break up the monotony. Rugs with different textures and patterns can enhance the overall aesthetic of your room. 9. Window treatments on a budget. Window treatments are an essential part of any bedroom makeover. They control light, add privacy, and contribute to the room's overall style. Look for affordable curtains, blinds, or shades that match your theme. Sheer curtains can create an airy, romantic feel, while blackout curtains are perfect for those who need a darker room for better sleep. Don't forget to choose curtain rods and hardware that complement your decor. 10 clever storage solutions. Keeping your bedroom clutter-free is key to maintaining a peaceful retreat. Invest in budget-friendly storage solutions like under-bed storage bins, floating shelves, or over-the-door organizers. Multifunctional furniture such as ottomans or benches with hidden storage can also be helpful. Make use of vertical space by adding hooks or racks for hanging items. Keeping everything organized will make your bedroom feel more spacious and serene. 11. Adding personal touches. Personal touches make your bedroom feel uniquely yours. Incorporate items that have sentimental value, like family photos, travel souvenirs, or handmade crafts. These elements add warmth and character to your space. You can also personalize your room with DIY projects, such as painting a piece of furniture, sewing decorative pillows, or creating a custom wall hanging. These projects are not only budget-friendly but also add a special touch to your retreat. 12. Creating the right ambiance. The right scent can enhance the cozy atmosphere of your bedroom. Scented candles, essential oil diffusers, or incense can create a relaxing environment. Choose calming scents like lavender, chamomile, or vanilla. Make sure to use them safely, especially candles, to avoid any hazards. Soft background music or nature sounds can also contribute to a peaceful ambiance, making your bedroom a true retreat. Regular maintenance and upkeep. Once your bedroom makeover is complete, maintaining it is essential. Regular cleaning and decluttering will help preserve the cozy, inviting atmosphere. Make your bed every morning, tidy up before going to sleep, and periodically update your decor to keep it fresh and interesting. Simple habits like these ensure that your bedroom remains a restful sanctuary. Showcasing before and after. Take a moment to appreciate the transformation. Compare before and after photos of your bedroom to see the dramatic difference your efforts have made. Not only have you created a beautiful space, but you've also done it on a budget. Your cozy retreat is now a reflection of your style and creativity. Affordable decor and accessories. Decorative accessories can make a big impact without a big price tag. Look for affordable items like throw pillows, blankets, and wall art to add personality and style to your bedroom. DIY projects are also a great way to create unique decor pieces. Try making your own artwork, painting a vase, or crafting a decorative tray. These small touches can tie your room together and make it feel complete. Upcycling and repurposing. Upcycling and repurposing items you already have can save money and add a unique touch to your bedroom. Look for creative ways to give new life to old items. An old ladder can become a stylish blanket rack, or a vintage suitcase can be transformed into a chic side table. Think outside the box and let your creativity shine. Upcycling is not only budget-friendly, but also environmentally friendly. Cozy reading nook. Creating a cozy reading nook in your bedroom can be a great way to enhance the retreat feel. Find a quiet corner and add a comfortable chair, a small side table, and a good reading lamp. Add some plush cushions and a warm throw blanket. This little corner can become your favorite spot to unwind with a good book, adding to the overall coziness of your bedroom. Maximizing small spaces. If you have a small bedroom, making the most of your space is crucial. Use vertical storage solutions like shelves and wall-mounted organizers to keep your floor space clear. Opt for furniture that fits the scale of your room and serves multiple purposes. Light colors and mirrors can make a small room feel larger. Keep decor minimal and clutter-free to create a more open and airy atmosphere. Seasonal updates. Changing up your bedroom decor with the seasons can keep it feeling fresh and inviting. Swap out throw pillows, blankets, and decor items to match the season. In the winter, opt for warm, cozy textures and rich colors. In the summer, go for light, airy fabrics and bright accents. These small changes can make a big difference in the feel of your room without a major overhaul. Transforming your bedroom into a cozy retreat on a budget is entirely possible with a little creativity and effort. By focusing on decluttering, choosing a cohesive theme, and incorporating affordable decor, you can create a space that feels both stylish and comfortable. Remember, it's not about spending a lot of money, it's about making thoughtful choices and adding personal touches that reflect your style. Thank you for joining us on this budget bedroom makeover journey. We hope these affordable ideas inspire you to create your own cozy retreat. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to RefreshNest, and share your own makeover stories in the comments below. Until next time, happy decorating!